Today, machine shops of all sizes are under tremendous pressure to improve profitability on existing business while attracting new projects for added revenue. Most software and hardware technologies have only taken us so far in reaching these goals. How will you get to the next level? Current digital technology only automates some steps of your current work processes. It doesn't make you more efficient. Right now, many companies are only doing slightly better than managing with a spreadsheet. And there might be dozens of other spreadsheets throughout their operations. As a result, they end up with a disconnected process with pieces of valuable information and critical know-how not being utilized effectively. Shouldn't technology do more for you? Like being able to quote jobs with real insight into past performance, or not starting every job from scratch, and even knowing the best way to complete a job before you begin. With digitalization from Siemens, we can make this dream a reality. Digitalization doesn't just automate your operation, it helps you improve future performance based on the smart data already in your operation today. Let's look at the recipe to digitalize your manufacturing. Our software creates a digital twin that replicates your processes and assets, so you can now program any job on any machine quickly and easily. With an automated, model-driven process running from CAD/CAM, robotics, CNC machining, through quality inspection, you gain tremendous advantages like confidence, accuracy, and productivity as silos of information disappear and valuable data drives your process. A common collaboration platform across your organization tears down walls, using a digital thread that connects people, data, systems, and equipment, from planning through production. And finally, you improve efficiency and quality through a data-driven process that continuously learns. All this gives your operation tremendous advantages. By hitting quality and cost targets and learning from every product, you can grow your business and take on increasingly larger, more complex jobs. Your operations become more agile, with the ability to fluidly shift resources to meet customer demands. Finally, you maximize operational performance by utilizing resources to their fullest potential, all while harnessing your existing know-how to improve efficiency and profitability.